Hi there, it's Kayla Matthews with RE/MAX Alliance, and today I'm at my newest listing at 13544 Detroit Street in Thornton, Colorado. This house is great. The house offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a great backyard, and so much more. So I'm going to tell you the 3 things that I love most about this property so you can also enjoy it and share with your friends. So let's go explore. The first thing that I love most about this property is the layout. The second thing that I love most about this house is the kitchen. It's bright, open, brand new kitchen with granite countertops, backsplash, newer appliances, and an open floor plan. The third thing that I love most about this property is the location. The Signal Creek neighborhood has a community pool, lots of walking areas, and quite a few parks throughout the neighborhood. In addition, the property is located just east of I-25 and 136, which this area is booming. There's lots of shops, lots of restaurants, and things to check out. So come check out this great listing, share with your friends and family, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.